Bayan Party List votes yes to House Bill number 8418 because the soaring prices of oil have created the domino effect, driving up the cost of food, transportation, and basic goods. Kailangan na po natin kumilos dahil nagkakandakuba na ang hirap ng taong bayan. However, we cast this vote with two reservations. First, while we recognize the safeguards placed in the bill, we will remain vigilant as we have always been wary of granting emergency powers to the Chief Executive. Second, Mr. Speaker, hindi sapat na bigyan lang natin ng kapangyarihan ng Pangulo na suspendihin ang excise tax. Kasabay nito, dapat bigyan din natin ng agarang tulong ang mga sektor na lubhang maapektuhan ng krisis na ito. That is why Akbayan has filed House Bill 8495 to provide a 52.8 billion supplemental fund for fiscal year 2026. 12